Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Prabhakar from the Delhi Entertainer. Today I'm going to bring you the match review of the first T20 between Australia and India. Australia won the toss and put India to bat. They packed their team with plenty of bowlers. Maybe they wanted to take advantage of the same. India made a confident start, though they lost Dhawan cheaply. Rahul continued his red-hot form of IPL and made 51 runs in 40 balls. Kohli did not last long and was dismissed for 9, so also Manish Pandey for 2 runs. Samsung looked very good for his 23 runs in 15 balls. Pandey got dismissed after well made 16 runs. Then it is again Jadeja who came to the rescue of Indian team with a rearguard of action by hitting 44 runs from 23 balls. It is this scintillating innings which it made possible for India to post a decent total of 161 runs for 7 wickets. As far as an Australian bowler concerned, though they had plenty of bowlers, as many as 6 to 7 bowlers, they did not bowl a tight line and length and leaked too many runs towards the end. Henry Q was the most successful bowler, taking 3 wickets for 22 runs, and Stark took 2 wickets for 34 runs. Coming to Australian batting, chasing a achievable total of 161. In the absence of in-form Warner, Short has opened the innings with Flinch. Flinch continued his good form and scoring 35 runs in 26 balls, and Short made 34 runs. At 53 for no loss, Australia was cruising very well, but after introduction of Chahal in the next 8 overs, India picked up 4 crucial wickets, conceding only 60 runs, where Australia has lost the plot completely. In this phase, they lost Flinch, Short, Smith, and most importantly, Maxwell. Moses has raised hopes by scoring 30 runs in 20 balls, but Australia kept on losing wickets at regular intervals. In the last 6 overs, it did not look as if Australia are really chasing the total seriously and surrendered tamely, and they lost the match by good 11 runs. As well as Indian bowling is concerned, Indian bowling was very disciplined and made runs making to Australia very difficult. Though the fielding was horrible, they have spilled too many easy chances. Natarajan was at his best in his debut match, taking 3 wickets for 30 runs, including that of Maxwell. But it is Chahal who has actually, pulled the match towards India with a brilliant bowling, taking 3 wickets, 25 runs. The funny part is that he was not in the original 11, but came into the team as a concussion replacement to Jadeja, who was hit on the helmet towards the close of the innings. Australian team management was very unhappy about it, as Jadeja continued to bat after being hit on the helmet and was going out. While going out, he was limping, seemed to have a groin problem. India got benefited by this decision to give concussion substitution in the form of Chahal, who was a regular bowler and who was very fresh. Sundar was very economical, conceding only 16 runs in 6 overs and 13 dot balls, though did not take many wickets. So India has back-to-back wins and in the same venue, and now tied up with Australia, winning 2 matches each after losing the first 2 matches. Thus, the series is very well poised with the 2 T20s left and 4 test matches to go. So now India has come back to his own. We can look forward for very interesting remaining 220 matches. So this is all from me, as Prabhakar from Delhi Entertainer. Sign off for now.